Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Really, it was a time-consuming thing to go back and forth switching from the software to the web, whenever you will be using the GPT AI tool to create videos. Fortunately, Filmora has made it easy. They have just added a brand new AI copywriting tool powered by OpenAI's GPT, which can assist you to write unique video headlines, descriptions, stories, and more. So you can access this tool starting from version 12.1.8. In my previous video, I was highlighting the Filmora updates from 12.1.1 up to 12.1.6, and there are a lot of features revealed there. Now we are on version 12.1.8, and we seem to be skipping 12.1.7. But in short, 12.1.7 brought stability when you were browsing in the effects, transition, and other tabs, while also allowing you to download the online content faster. The new AI tool is right here on your starting window of Filmora, but you can still use it even if you are working on your project, which I will show you in a moment. Let me take this opportunity to say this: in my view, the future of editing with Filmora seems to be bright, and the reason I'm saying that is, Filmora is packing up AI tools in almost every upgrade, and as much as the internet can attest, AI is taking over the future of editing. Honestly, who would want to edit a thumbnail for an hour when your competitor just spent 15 minutes with the help of AI? AI copywriting is not the first. There is still the other, which creates images for you, called AI image, and I will show you how to use it after we are done with this one. So the first thing to do is to activate your internet connection, and then press here. You will see a small pop-up providing two portions of space. The top one is where you write your questions, and right below that you will see your answers to whatever you ask. If you click on How to Ask, you will see examples of questions that you can try. When you do submit your question, it will start generating, and when it's done, you can press right here to copy all your answers. So after using AI like this, you always have to analyze, because it won't be completely perfect. So as I have said, you can use this feature even if your project is open. I can select to open a new project here, and the copywriting tool will still be hanging over there. You can even minimize Filmora, open your browser, and still have it hanging. Maybe if you want to make some comparisons, so this is caused by that pin. If you unselect it, it won't be pinned over other tabs. Moving on to the AI image, just click it here under the media, and again, you need an active internet connection. So on top is the description box, where you describe your desired image with a minimum of 10 words for better results, including the picture content, composition, color detail, and so forth. Set the resolution you want from here and then hit Start Creating. So in the previous video, I also highlighted this feature and said it's not very perfect yet, but we are looking for it to be better in the next few upgrades. And here is the result. So that's it for today, friends. If you have liked the video, please just subscribe to the channel for more content. So right on the screen is the video that I was referring to in this video. You can watch it or choose the whole playlist about Filmora 12.